We have been traveling and living from a van for 5.5 years, which means that we primarily live outdoors. We love nature. We understand the significance of insects. Well, maybe not mosquitoes. Or no-see-ums. Okay, black flies suck too. So to clarify, we get that insects are a fixture of camping, which is why we fell in love with the sliding screens in the Heimer Active when we chose to buy this van. We were grateful for the sliding screen while traveling in the southern US and eastern Canada this year. When the screen fell apart, we were camping in New Brunswick and we were very close to tears, mainly because the bug season was still very much in session. We were unsuccessful in our efforts to fix the screen ourselves. We found a how-to fix the sliding screen video on YouTube, which came with a warning that the repair would take 6 to 7 hours for 2 people. Wayne at Camp Out RV, where we bought our van, confirmed this was pretty accurate. He'd been shown how to approach the task at his Heimer training session in January, just before the company went into receivership. He hasn't had an opportunity to test out his acquired knowledge, so after much consideration, it seemed to us it could be a costly endeavor to restring the screen, only to risk having it fall apart again. And in the meantime, our friend Samantha, who owns a Pleasureway camper van, showed us her Roll-F bug screen, which is made right here in Canada. These screens are no-see-um, UV, and waterproof, and seem to us to be virtually indestructible. Impressed, we contacted Roll-F in Laval, Quebec, and made an appointment to see him.
Assistant, aren't you? Yeah, to see where all the wires are. Not much just holding it in place, 4 screws. And there's the old screen over to the side.
So we tried to do something and then it's work, and he has, I don't know, the same guy or another guy he has for the screen on the side. I say, well, I don't know, we're gonna see. And we find all the material, it's good for that, and now it's the best.
Yeah. It really is.
It's so fantastic.
We find material is waterproof, UV resistant, even the zipper, and it's very tough, that screen, and it's no see-um proof, so
We love that.
you have everything. And when you roll it, then you don't need to store anywhere because it stays there.
Fashion designer to installer and power tool user.
I'm envy girl.
You really are. Yep.
Voila. That's it, that's all.
We'll have to go to Bar Oka tonight for a beer.
In 2 kilometers, arrive at 2063 Chemin-Doka.
And then when you want to go in and out, this is a magnetic opening. Voila.
Voila!
On this side when you want to open it. And now, see, it goes closed. There's a little tab right here. And so you pull that open. It even has a little pet door.
Oh,
So then it swings shut, and it should just close automatically
Yeah.
like that with the magnet. And that's it. And then when you want, you can actually travel with this in place. You don't have to roll it up,
Right.
but you can.
Well, I guess traveling, you could also have it closed so that if you were in a really buggy area,
Yeah.
when you open the door, your bug protection is in place.
And then to roll it up, you just simply roll from the bottom, and then it has a nice clip at the top.
Which can be velcroed out of the way. Sorry, this is the first time we did this. So.
And then you just do this and snap it into place. It's like a luggage strap.
Yeah.
And there you go. Yeah.
That's good. I guess the next thing we'll do is put it in the back one when we can afford it.
Oh, look at that.
Two. You go like this,
Yeah.
and then I just roll up this part.
And your garage is available.
And my garage is available, exactly.
Yeah.
Or if you wanted to open up the windows, see, look at this. You can open the window.
And it also has a screen.
And you can also roll that up. I was wondering if this one had maybe something on it that said something.
Yeah, well, it's got the clips up there.
Yeah. I mean, and that's how it used to be. I used to always keep it up there, but now I just always keep it down here.
Why not?
So that bugs don't squeak in. You know how they are.
Oh, they're sneaky.
They are sneaky.
I like that you say squeak. That's what we say. I think a bunch of mosquitoes squeaked in.
Squeak, sneak.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I just bought an extra hose. So now I have
Yeah.
75 feet. I can hook up to anyone's home.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even if I'm parked on the side of the road,
Yeah.
I could just hook up to
Here.
their house.
Yeah. They wouldn't even know you were here.
I have an extension cord too, so I can run my electricity off of anyone's home.
Yeah. Yeah, you do too.